Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you all of my fidgets in my fidget bin. As you can see, it says fidgets right here. This sign is pretty old. The writing is new because I did it like today. Was it last night? I don't know. Yeah, I think it was last night. And yeah. So sorry my hands are messy. I did a little bit of an art project yesterday. They're like real messy. Whatever. Let's talk about fidgets right now. Okay. Bin number 1 is my random fidgets. I wanna pull up the bin, like the whole thing. There we go. These are all my random fidgets. Well, now it's all of them, like, kind of, whatever. First starting with all of my mochis, really squishable. This one is fake, so as this one, but this one is real, because it's more stiff, and these ones are just too, like, squishy. This one is real hard, like, I don't like it, but whatever. Next one, I have one spiky ball. I had one more. It's a red one. I have no idea where it went, or I think I traded it with someone. And I have 3 monkey nose, but I don't know where the blue one is. So yeah, I love monkey nose. They're amazing. They're really stretchy. You can whack people with them. Ah! Okay, and these, oh my goodness, seriously, these are made out of perler beads, and when you crack them, they make a really satisfying sound, and I love them. I actually made these. I made Hello Kitty, a palm tree, a phone, boopy doopy boop, and an ice cream with a cherry on top. Where'd it go? Here it is. I made a popsicle. This one is my favorite. It's just so cute. Yeah, and on the back, you could just, like, it's like a texture kind of thing. Then I have all my putties. And this is not really a fidget, but it's, I'll call it a fidget because it has a loud side and a quiet side. See, look. Loud, quiet. It's like a poppet. Then I have this random weird fidget my mom made. This is a Jolly Rancher chopstick. I took out the chopstick, and yeah, the thing I thought it would be was this. But then my mom added a chain in it that I don't know where she got it from. But yeah, and now it's like a rattle toy, which I'm not a little girl, okay? I'm not that little. Anyways, those are all my random videos. Let's put this sign back on. Are you kidding me? Okay, there. Now for bin number 2, I have my squishies and my stress balls. And this bin is just amazing. Starting off with this plum squishy. This is a really high quality squishy, except I ripped it a lot. That you could literally go in there. It's crazy. See, it's like ripped everywhere. Except it is really high quality. But I guess it's made in China. I don't know what that means, but whatever. Next, I have this tart squishy. It is horrible. It's in horrible condition because of glue. It was all ripped everywhere where you see the glue, and yeah, that's why I glued it. And then it turned out like this. This is how white glue looks when it's dried. Yeah, the only places that are squishy on it is the strawberries and these sides. Yeah, it's not good. Then I have this cat fluffy squishy. Yeah, zoom out right there. I don't know why I didn't take off the tag, but whatever. Then I have this little donut squishy. It comes with a partner, chocolate and vanilla. These are adorable. They have the keychains, just amazing. I love them. And then I have the macaroons. They're also partners. They're really, really squishy. And they also have the keychains. These are just adorable. Then I have this emoji plushie. It is just weird because it's not really a squishy or a stress ball. Same as this soccer ball. It's, I don't know why I put it in there, but whatever. Then I love this. It's my Orbeez stress ball. I just love this so much. I'm never trading this unless it's a jumbo pop it. Whatever. Then I have my mini globble. I love globbles. And just to show you that it is a globble, it can actually stick to the wall. Watch this. Yep, right there. No, I think I'm gonna go and get it because I don't really... Oh, it's falling. It's falling. Ah! Fell on the floor right here. Get that? Yeah. Ah! Oh my goodness, we bumped into the bin. I don't know what happened there, but yeah, I like this a lot. Let's just put the sign back on. And then the third bin. It is my popping fidgets, my like poppets and dimples and stuff. This is my favorite bin. I love this bin a lot because poppets are literally my thing. Starting off with my crab dimple. Yes, it is amazing. I love my crab dimple because it's really loud on the loud side. Watch this. Like, literally. So it's amazing. Like, I love it a lot. And then, oh, I'm just gonna put this over here. Sorry, my mom went in my room. She scared me. Anyways, then I have this game controller poppet. I love this because it's loud on both sides. Just watch this. This is supposed to be the bad side, but it's loud on it. And here is the good side. I'm really sorry for the background sound. It's my sibling and my parents. Next, I have this rainbow circle poppet. I literally love this thing. JK, it's not like it's not a good poppet. I'm serious. Here's the quiet side. I can see you. Yep, your face. Yep, it's bad. Here's the quiet side. Loud side. Yeah, not the best. Then I have my triple dimple. I love this thing a lot. This is not the real brand, but whatever. It has a brain on it, but not the girl with the brain. So whatever. Here, quiet side. And here's the outside. Yeah, I just love this a lot. Put that over there. Now we got the Among Us marble puppet. Everybody wants to trade this from me. And I always say, I'm so sorry, it's not up for trade. And they get sad. Because this thing is amazing. Am I right? But let's start popping on the quiet side. It is pretty stiff and not the best, but you're gonna love the loud side. What did I tell you?
Well, you told me it was the best. I mean, I was the best.
Well, not exactly. Dunk. Next, I have this yellow hexagon poppet. I actually forgot what it was called in that video that I said I don't know what this shape was, but it was a yellow hexagon poppet. I completely forgot the name on that video, like completely. Anyways, let me introduce you to the quiet side. Again, not the best, but wait for the loud side. Yeah, pretty good. So-so. Not the best. Then I have this pineapple marble poppet. So it's really nice. It's actually loud on both sides. It's amazing. So you're gonna want to hear this. Okay. Put the bin away. Sorry, another parent coming in the room. Whatever. Here we go. Yep, what a quiet side. That's amazing. And here's the loud side. This is amazing. Second favorite poppet. Now I have this rainbow square poppet. It actually came from a pack from Amazon, and it came with the marble Among Us poppet, which is this poppet. Yeah, it came in a pack. And the pack also came with this triple dimple. And it also came with a original dimple, which I loved. But then I traded it for the crab dimple because it's way louder. Anyways, here we go. Rainbow square poppet, quiet side. Okay, that was not that good, but wait, look at this. Who wants to trade? This is amazing. You're gonna have to go over for it. Next is my crab poppet. I'm gonna have to say the quiet side. You know what? I'll tell you after. Just quiet side. As I was saying, the quiet side is really stiff. It has a bunch of scratches on it, and yeah. Anyways, the loud side is just amazing. Just watch this. Oh my goodness. What did I tell you? It's amazing. Anyways, my last poppet is this purple heart poppet. So, yeah, again, sorry for the background noises. Anyways, here we go. quiet side. This is like the worst poppet I ever had. This is not good. Does it look good on camera? I don't know. This is not good. Here is the loud side. Oh my goodness. Yeah, not that good. Anyways, bye guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on those notifications so you'll get notified every time I post a new video. Bye. Love you guys.